Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can lock elements in your boards on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board, and as you can see, guys, for example, if I move that part, that rectangle of the diagram, other parts may be affected by this, for example, like that connector here. But you can lock elements and that way not allow editing, right? Or lock the editing. To do that, right click into it. So go with this connector here, for example, and choose lock, or use the shortcut Shift L. You can do this also with these shapes, elements, and so on and so forth. So now guys, if I move, for example, that connector here, that element here, the triangle will stay unaffected, as you can see. So I need to unlock it first, right click, select unlock, and now it can be moved and edited again. So that's it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.